going on, folks? Today we need to do a little bit of work on this garage door opener just to make it last a little longer until I can find time and money to replace it. So this wire came off of the opener, and the way this works, the safety control, you got to hit both buttons at once. So all that does is connect this wire to that one, and that's not a big deal. I could just touch this wire there. I reconnect it, that's not a big deal. But the problem is, if I show you real quick, if I connect that, that's all the farther it goes up. Because whenever it gets cold out, for some reason, this garage door opener just doesn't quite have enough power to get all the way up. But that's fine, because I would just use the remote and come over here and give it a little help whenever I needed it open. But the remote stopped working. So took that apart, couldn't figure out what's wrong with it. So now we need to figure out a new solution so that I don't need two people to open this garage door every time. So basically, I need some kind of control over in this area that I can have something that I can switch on and off while grabbing this and pulling it up or pulling it back down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab one of these switches off this box. This is just I used to DJ once in a while, and I just got all these switches that go to outlets back here. You see I already pillaged something from it a while back. And this would turn on and off lights, disco ball, whatever, while I was doing my thing. So I'm going to grab one of these switches and just wire that up to be something that I can just hang on to while I'm over there. And the switch is going to be the new garage door opener. Okay, now I've just got this bundle of old speaker wire that I'm going to use to run from the old switch over to there. Something I can hang on to while we're trying to open it. Okay, this is all hooked back up. The original wires and the new ones all connected in there. So now this should work again. Yep, great. But still doesn't open. Is it going to do it? It's 30 degrees today. I might do it. Whoa! Ah, almost. That's a pretty good distance. Okay, let's see if it works. See, now I can walk all the way over here. Oh, just missed it. Try it again. Back down. Piece of cake. I'll just wrap this up. Keep it right here. Thanks for watching.